I don't care actually कि लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I think Avinash and I know that what kind of bond we share.
Bangalore for a holy event. A lot of people were there who were just trying to hold me to get a selfie. So selfie for me is like, this is what selfie is, right? But there was a fan, a girl fan, was holding me like this. So
Bigg Boss खत्म हो गया है. वो एक समुद्र था, निकल चुके हैं. We have a पूरा आसमान हमारे लिए. तो I want to fly, I want to see, I want to spend time with my people. We went for the RCB match, we went for the IPL match, and हम लोग ऐसे खड़े हुए थे. And नीचे से आवाज आ रही है, ईशा अविनाश, ईशा अविनाश. And I was like, damn.
Accidentally texted a wrong person.
no.
All the time.
Gate crashed a party for fun. Drunk doesn't ex never.
I don't drink, he does not drink. So drunk trial नहीं हो सकता. I want to know what's going, how it feels. Like what I think.
I exactly know how it feels.
I think मेरी शादी से
When you're
पहले
drunk,
मैं एक दिन बहुत टल्ली होंगी और मैं सारी बकवास हरकतें करूंगी because I want to know how it feels. He never does it. I do it on his day. लड़कियों से भी मैं फ्लर्ट कर रही होती, लड़कों से भी कर रही
कोई
हूँ.
तो मतलब.
And then he's like.
शूट वगैरह खत्म करके हम किसी क्लब में गए थे. तो आई गेस खत्म हो गया था वहाँ पे एंट्री वगैरह, मतलब टाइमिंग हम बहुत लेट पहुँचे थे. तो वहाँ पे इसने अपना कार्ड यूज़ किया कि आई कैन एक्चुअली गिव यू सम स्टोरीज एंड ऑल. I have this social media and I'm quite popular.
I did not say that. I'm मन से मत ऐड कर. I'm throwing my charm like confetti. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhalla. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble, and today Avinash and Eisha are actually going to tell me ये आओ ना वाला ये जो concept है इसको कितना literally हमें लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि romance songs, this is a very winning combination. Can I say that?
Why not? It
Yes,
is.
Yes, you can say that.
But how does it feel? Because Adnan Sami has known to deliver some of the most prolific romantic numbers. I mean, wow. So what was the first thought when you were like, oh, you're doing an Adnan Sami romantic number with Asha ji's voice? What else?
Well, that was a great combination when we got to know that it's going to be a romantic song. That with Adnan sir is there, Asha ma'am is there. And then I got to know Eisha and me, we are going to play it. It was a win-win situation for us. It's going to be very easy. Like obviously they are legendary singers, so that pressure was gone. That ease was there. Okay, गाना तो अच्छा ही है, ठीक है. Now just we have to be ourselves, we have to perform, and touch wood, the bond we have that exactly reflects on the screen. So we are glad हम वो कर पाए, and the song is looking lovely and the response is also great.
Isha, you know na, Adnan songs and the heroines in the songs have always been.
I grew up listening to his
Yeah,
songs.
so I can say now you're in the same league.
That's so nice. I like how you have put it, but you know, we grew up listening to Adnan sir's song, Asha ma'am's song, and to be a part of one of such songs, I think I was thrilled when the moment I was in the office and they were making me hear the song, and I was like, oh my god, I want to do it. No questions asked. I said, hands down, I'm doing it. And then of course it's a win-win situation. I got to work with Avinash, and this was our first project post Bigg Boss. I think this baby is very, very special to us.
Is there a romantic song in your view which you think epitomizes romance in all its glory, in all its flavors? कोई अपना personal favorite romantic है over the years in the films? Because I think romantic songs pick karna, maybe just for the lyrics or for the picturization, can be a task. But if I have to ask you to pick one each, what it could be for you?
I think for me, I think for me there are so many, but one cult classic which stays with me is क्या हुआ तेरा वादा. Yeah, I love that song, and I think I'm somebody who loves old songs, so that song, I don't know why, it's very, very close to me. It's very close to you.
And what about you?
Well, there are a lot of songs, but if I have to think of one, then I remember from Jab We Met, Tumse Hi, when Aditya and Geet ka wo, that imagination song was going on, and a lot of things were said in that song. So for me, I feel that was one of the epitome.
When I ask you this question, the reason is, irrespective of whatever the world says, the bond which we see with you two together, I mean, it comes across. Normally, जितने भी friendships या जितने भी हमने अच्छे bonds हमेशा Bigg Boss में over the years देखे हैं, people end up always commenting. अभी तो आपके लिए भी लोग वही बोलते हैं, अरे कब तक टिकेगा, कब तक friends रहेंगे, कब तक you'll be seen together. But the more I see of you together, the more it reinforces the fact that there are some bonds which are supposed to stay, irrespective of the chatter around.
And it's not for the world.
Exactly.
You know, of course, we were, now that you have said and now that the topic is out, हम जब Bigg Boss में थे, of course, the bond, whatever we shared, conversations were out there for everybody. So, of course, there is a scope to judge and that's fine. We were in such a show जहाँ पे आपको 10 चीज़ें जज करेंगे, 10 लोग पसंद करेंगे, 20 लोग नहीं करेंगे, 30 लोग बहुत प्यार देंगे, 10 लोग नहीं करेंगे. And we accepted it with open arms. But now that we are out of the house, I don't care actually कि लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं क्या नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I think Avinash and I know that what kind of bond we share, how pure it is and how genuine it is, and it is for the camera or it is not for the camera. So उस टाइम पे बहुत easy थे comments करना. अभी तक the bond is even stronger. It's even beautiful. So I think I'm glad. And लोगों का काम है कहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. So I'm okay with that.
But does it अविनाश कभी bother करता है क्योंकि आप लोग इंडस्ट्रीज में का हिस्सा हैं, आप दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं दोनों, आप अपने स्टारडम की तरफ यू आर टेकिंग द स्टेप्स एंड यू नो हाउ दिस ऑल वर्क्स. बट व्हेन पेरेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व, जब रात चलते हैं आपके पेरेंट्स को लोग रिकग्नाइज करते हैं. बट आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन यू एंड योर फैमिली चिलिंग टुगेदर इन फैक्ट. बट व्हेन दे आस्क देम द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर अनवारंटेड, आउट ऑफ द लाइन, हाउ डू दे रिएक्ट? बिकॉज आवर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट ऑलवेज, you know, they are not aware of how to handle with all these queries.
Well, honestly, this really affects me when parents get involved. But I guess pehle they were not used to get these kind of comments on their social media or to be asked these kind of questions. But I guess over the time they have realized that this is what the industry is, and there are a lot of people, and you can't stop their opinions, their judgments, and this is a very human nature that they're gonna compare, they're gonna judge you. So they have, I feel उन्होंने adapt कर लिया कि okay, this is how it is, and you have to ignore all the negativity what is coming, and just have to focus on what positive is going in the life. Just have to focus on that. Then वो सारी चीज़ें अपने आप neglect हो जाती हैं, and that's how it should be.
Yes.
Because वहाँ पे ज़्यादा अगर आप सोचोगे ना, then it will will trap you in that negativity.
It will.
And somewhere if they get affected, तो मुझे double effect हो जाएगा. So now when I see them, like they're also very much chilled. They don't entertain any negative comments, or they're not bothered about any negative comments. So that gives me confidence कि okay, now they have also realized what industry is and how it works and how you have to deal with the negativity. So I'm glad now they know it.
That's good, because I think हमारे loved ones सबसे पहले they come in the heat, and you are the ones who are handling day in and day out, and for them it's a new world.
True.
They haven't signed up for it. But coming up to the signing part of it, life changes after Bigg Boss. Everyone says so, big reality show, all things. But as an actor, where you two are standing today individually, what is the desire in you to do next, or something which you are doing which you think is taking you to the path of wherever you wanted to charter? Each one.
Well, after Bigg Boss, to be honest, I've got really good offers, and some things are already lined up. And see, that's a show. What I understood about the show is that you are given a platform, you have to showcase all your talents, all your skills.
You're probably the only person who understood the assignment, I would say. Listen, I'm giving it to you on camera.
So it was a really good platform to showcase your talent and skills, whatever you have, your own personality, and however you want to entertain the audience. You have to do that. So I gave my shot. And the moment I came out of the house and I saw the response, so I understood कि okay, मेरे अंदर जितना था, I have given it. Now let's see what all things are coming my way. And the projects which I'm getting and the roles which I'm getting, I'm glad कि वो अब 2-3 notch up हो गए हैं from the previous career graph. तो I feel abhi it's time for me to experiment, because the phase in which I am in right now, I can experiment some of the characters, some of the roles. Maybe after 5 years, maybe I'll be a family man. I won't be able to do those kind of experiments. Correct. But right now I'm free. So I'm planning to do different kind of roles and different kind of projects which I have never done. And I'm glad I'm getting those roles right now. So I'll be experimenting those, and I'm going to give my 100% इसमें भी, and I hope कि it works. And I'm sure कि एक अलग pathway start हो जाएगा.
So films are on the cards now.
I'm not saying those things, but a lot of things are there. A lot of things are there lined up. So I'm just hoping कि वो सारी चीजें एक साथ अच्छे से हो जाए.
You think he will tell you?
I was hoping as like a nice moment, he will say that yes, they are happening. But what about you, Isha?
I think like Avinash mentioned, there's so much that is happening. So many things are being approached. So I'm also taking one step at a time. I think I took a very long time to come out of that house mentally. For
Yeah,
some
because
reason,
for the longest time you didn't even interact with any kind of media interactions. You took a lot of time to sink it in,
yeah,
I
I
guess.
wanted to take that time for myself, and I was not ready to go back into that zone because now I'm out of that show. बिग बॉस खत्म हो गया है, वो एक समुद्र था, निकल चुके हैं. वी हैव अ पूरा आसमान हमारे लिए. तो आई वांट टू फ्लाई, आई वांट टू सी, आई वांट टू स्पेंड टाइम विद माय पीपल, एंड दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई एम डूइंग. हैविंग सेड दैट, आई थिंक coming to the work front, I would like to do something which I've never done. I am not saying कि अरे you know एक बहुत अनसेट सी चीज़ है जो पता नहीं क्यों चलती है कि ओ नाउ दैट दे आउट ऑफ द बिग बॉस दे डोंट वांट टू डू टेलीविजन, दे डोंट वांट टू डू दिस. ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब फॉर मी, आई कैन ऑफ कोर्स मैं अपने लिए बात कर सकती हूँ. आई वांट टू डू गुड वर्क, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग विच एक्साइट्स मी, विच मेक्स मी हैप्पी, एंड बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा मेक्स मी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. सो आई डोंट केयर व्हाट प्लेटफॉर्म इट इज, आई जस्ट वांट टू डू गुड वर्क, and that is exactly what's happening. There are few things which I'm working on, few things which I've already shot जो आने वाली हैं. So a lot of crazy fun things are happening around me.
I have a nice segment for you, but before that, because I saw you today entering the building, so I want to ask you, has there ever been till date a crazy fan moment which stumped you? It could be cute, sweet, but something which made you realize that, oh, I think I've reached somewhere, like these are the fans which every actor craves for. Has there been a moment for you?
Yeah, I went to Bangalore post Bigg Boss for a Holi event, and a lot of people were there who were just trying to hold me to get a selfie. Those selfie for me is like, this is what selfie is, right? But there was a fan, a girl fan, was holding me like this. So एक मोमेंट था, आई गॉट वेरी स्कैर्ड कि यार ये कैसा फैंडम है. बट देन आई रियलाइज कि ओके दिस इज देयर लव, एंड आउट ऑफ दैट लव वो थोड़ा सा मतलब ओवर एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं टू गेट दैट सेल्फी, बिकॉज दे हैव दैट थोड़ा सा 1-2 सेकंड टू गेट दैट सेल्फी. सो आई सॉ दैट क्रेजीनेस इन पीपल कि ओके अविनाश इज हियर एंड आई वांट पिक्चर विद हिम. एंड ये मतलब मैंने कभी मतलब ऐसा
शर्ट इंटैक्ट थी.
मतलब
शर्ट वापस आई.
शर्ट वापस आ गई. मैंने कभी ये सब फील नहीं किया था, कभी मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं था. पोस्ट बिग बॉस ये सब चीज़ें हुई. सो नाउ आई कुड रिलेट कि हाउ फैंस गेट डेस्परेट एंड हाउ पैशनेटली दे लव यू गाइस, कि वो एक पिक्चर के लिए भी वो इस हद तक चल जाते हैं. बट इट्स देयर लव, इट्स देयर लव. ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं बोल रहा, बट इट्स देयर लव.
I mean, and to earn it, to have somebody be head over heels over you, just for a picture, the feeling is I don't even think I can even understand. Something happened with you?
Actually, a very nice feeling. I'll tell you something. Recently, we went for the RCB match. We went for the IPL match, and हम लोग ऐसे खड़े हुए थे, and नीचे से आवाज आ रही है, ईशा अविनाश, ईशा अविनाश. And I was like, damn, they were so crazy. They just wanted a picture, and Avinash और मैंने मास्क पहने हुए थे, and people were recognizing. I said, अब हमें कैसे पहचानते हैं? हमने पूरा फेस कवर्ड है, you know. A lot of times I'm wearing a cap, और मैं बहुत डिफरेंट दिखती हूँ. मैं रियल में अलग दिखती हूँ. मुझे लगता है मैं स्क्रीन पे अलग आती हूँ. मुझे काफ़ी लोगों ने ये चीज़ बोली है. तो आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ कैप, एंड मैं एक जगह गई थी, आई वॉज वेयरिंग शेड्स. मैं ऐसे हाउ आर दे रिकग्नाइजिंग मी. वो बिग बॉस मैंने एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ की है कि व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग टीवी शोज, व्हेन आई डिड अ फिल्म और वेब, तब एक पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप के लोग मुझे पहचानते थे. अभी छोटे बच्चे भी पहचान रहे हैं, यू नो. हर एज ग्रुप का एक कोई ना कोई पहचान रहा है. आई थिंक दैट फील्स नाइस.
That's nice. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions, and it will be nice if you can answer for each other, because it will be fun.
For each other?
Yeah.
I'll kill it.
Lovely. देख ले यार, please.
Okay, I'll try.
ना? ठीक है. Okay. We begin this? Okay. Has either of you, you're answering for each other, remember, not for yourself, gone on a weird date?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't ask the secret. Don't
That's
ask
what
the
I say. I will not
insiders.
ask the details.
But we know the story.
I'm answering as Isha.
Yeah.
I am answering, yes.
Nice. Okay. Accidentally texted a wrong person.
No.
No.
All the time. Abu, I do that all the time. I sent a screenshot. Do you
I don't
remember
remember. Which one? अरे वो तो ऐसा.
That was accident only.
Okay, yes.
All the...
ये मैंने हेल्प करने को नहीं कहा था, but they're still trying to figure. You are actually knowing it better. Huh?
Yeah. I do that all. I message. You
I
have no idea.
quickly-
I've showed it to him.
And I then send screenshot to my friends that today fuck them.
You know, I hope that person's not watching. मैंने किसी की story पे react किया thinking that this person is this one and उसने ये story डाली है because it was not. And that person replied said ये कौन है? I said damn, मैंने इसकी story पे react किया था and I thought this person is this because नाम थोड़े similar दिख रहे थे initial. And I was like damn, and then I had to have this whole conversation which I was not ready for. But ठीक है.
Laughed on a joke which you didn't understand because you were at a party.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. I do that all the time. I just laugh. Somebody's asking me a question, I'm laughing out loud. I'm weird like that.
Gate crashed a party for fun.
No.
Yeah, he's right. I don't think so. I've never partied, honestly. Yeah.
Aren't you a party person?
I've never partied. I've never been. Yeah, I've never partied. Yeah. I'm not a party person.
Are you are you answering on behalf of Isha?
No, she's not a party person.
Oh, that's okay. Made a prank call or drunk dialed an ex.
Drunk dialed, I don't think so. Prank call, yes.
Yes, prank call.
Drunk dialed an ex never.
I don't drink. He does not drink. So drunk dial नहीं हो सकता.
Kids, this is a very sattvic approach going on. We are not taking this any.
अभी हम भजन शुरू कर देंगे.
Okay. That is true. Which is true actually.
Yeah.
Because I think drunk dialed an ex for hostel stories it has been crazy.
I don't know how it feels to be drunk.
I've got those calls.
Now
Yeah,
somebody's
not
talking.
Yeah.
I've got those calls.
Yeah, me
But
too.
okay, for somebody who doesn't drink, which is great. I mean, it's a personal choice,
Of
and
course.
highly
Yeah, I used to, but I've stopped.
You stopped. How do you perceive if somebody's drunk calling you?
I want to know how it feels. Like what I think
exactly know how it feels.
मेरी शादी से
When you're
पहले
drunk.
मैं एक दिन बहुत टल्ली होंगी और मैं सारी बकवास हरकतें करूंगी because I want to know how it feels. Are you in your senses or are you not? Or you're really puking and you're really
Do you really think
See,
शादी
when
से एक दिन पहले ये मत करना बहुत crazy होता है.
शादी
No,
टूटेगी.
Hangover handle नहीं होगा.
then he'll become your ex. Then you will actually dial your ex.
ऐसा मत बोल रहे हैं. I think so. He'll fall in love with me more. I think I'll be very good.
Delulu हो रहा है.
इसको पूरा डेलुलु हो रहा है.
Delulu is the only Solulu, guys.
But you were saying something because you have been on both the sides. How does it feel to get a drunk call?
You know, the very weird part is they call around between 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. उनका ये fixed time होता है mostly when you get a drunk call. And बहुत weirdly call आएगा and you hear a very weird voice कि hi, how are you? I've been missing. So that happens. तो हुआ है मेरे साथ and I could understand because I know मैं पहले drink करता था. You don't have that control. वो control होता नहीं. You just go, keep on dialing. You just burst out of emotions and you say all those stupid things. And the very next day when you get up after that lemon soda, you feel regret. You regret कि why did I call that person?
I'm glad मैंने कभी नहीं.
I'm perpetually in regret. Just say it
मैं
this
बिना
way.
दारू के हरकतें कर रही होती हूँ.
उससे बेटा हाई चाहिए नहीं लाइफ में. Okay, we'll quickly take last two because I know there's so many people waiting. Taken advantage of your popularity by somebody which it shouldn't have been that.
Always.
No harm caused. Yes, I have. मतलब किसी को I don't think so I've caused any harm, but I have taken
Not
that.
harm, but I'm answering as Isha.
Yeah.
But yes, I have taken advantage of my popularity. And I've seen that. As Avinash, I'm saying this. I have seen that. Takes a lot of advantage. But in a very good way.
In a very good way.
मतलब हम travel कर रहे हैं तो she'll use her charm and अपना identity.
That's her charm.
कि
That's
यार
her.
can you please upgrade us into the business class out of love?
तो फायदा ही हुआ ना
तो लास्ट में आउट ऑफ लव लगाती है ताकि पैसे नहीं देने पड़े वहां पे. आउट ऑफ लव बोलती है सामने वाला ऑब्वियसली अगर लड़का बैठो हाय इट्स ओके लेट मी जस्ट चेक वो भी बता देगा ओके है नहीं है रूम अपग्रेड हो रहा है कुछ भी हो रहा है. तो कैन यू डू दैट आउट ऑफ लव? So she used that
Doesn't
card.
he uses his like opening the two shoot buttons and
He never does it. I do it on his behalf. लड़कियों से
I
भी मैं
never do
फ्लर्ट
it.
कर रही होती हूँ, लड़कों से भी कर
I
रही
कोई
know.
तो मतलब
And then he's like,
मैं नहीं
सारा
कर
काम
सकता.
मैं कर
एक दिन
रही
हम बैंकॉक में थे और हम शूट वगैरह खत्म करके हम किसी क्लब में गए थे. हाँ क्लब नहीं, it was a lounge.
It was a nice bar.
Lounge,
हाँ, it was a
lounge.
nice
हाँ,
restaurant.
पार्टी के लिए. तो आई गेस खत्म हो गया था वहाँ पे एंट्री वगैरह, मतलब टाइमिंग हम बहुत
हम
लेट
late
पहुँचे थे. तो वहाँ पे इसने अपना कार्ड यूज़ किया कि आई कैन एक्चुअली गिव यू सम स्टोरीज एंड ऑल. I have this social media and I'm quite popular.
I did not say that. अभी मन से मत ऐड कर. but
तो इसने कुछ चीज़ें बोली एंड फिर
Use
हो
the
गया.
charm.
हाँ, सॉर्ट हो गया.
See, fail with a failure. Try तो किया ना
करना
एटलीस्ट
तो
मैंने.
चाहिए ना.
दूसरी बात, सबको लगता है कि अविनाश इज अ फ्लर्ट एंड he is not. Let me tell you, मैं हूँ लड़का और मैं ही हूँ लड़की. मैं लड़कियों से भी फ्लर्ट कर रही होती हूँ, जाके लड़कों से भी कर रही होती हूँ, और मैं अपना सब इधर उधर. आई एम थ्रोइंग माई चार्म लाइक confetti. Yeah.
मेरा सॉर्ट यार, अगर है तो दे दो, नहीं है तो मैं बताऊंगा नहीं कि मेरा ये एडवांटेज है यार, दो नहीं.
अविनाश वहाँ खड़ा रहेगा और मैं बोलती हूँ चलो, एंड देन ही इज इम्प्रेस्ड.
ये तो बहुत बढ़िया था. तुम क्यों नहीं फ्लर्ट करते हो?
He does not know how to. Let me tell you that honestly. He does not know.
And I don't want to.
He
Add
only
that
flirts with
also.
me.
Want to बाद में करो, but he doesn't. Girls, just saying, just check.
उसको जिससे करना होता है वो कर लेता है. Just saying.
Just saying. So lastly, I'm going to close with something very funny. Since they have answered for each other, you are going to sign off this interview as Eisha, and you are going to sign off this interview as Avinash. Imitate each other. I want to see.
Hi guys, this is Avinash Mishra. Thank you for watching this interview. Our song is out. Watch Aao Na. It is on T Series. Spread lots of love and positivity. Thank you.
हाय गाइस, दिस इज ईशा सिंह एंड हमारा सॉन्ग आओ ना आ गया है एंड बहुत ही प्यारा सॉन्ग बनाया हमने. बहुत अच्छे अदनान सर हैं उसमें, आशा मैम है. बहुत ही प्यारा सॉन्ग है, आप लोग को बहुत मज़ा आएगा और ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहना. और मैं तो हुई अच्छी. थैंक यू.
I've seen, but thank you guys. You've been such a sport. This is so much fun. I think I should be sitting with you two only with an edition where this boy will be made to mimic people. We will pick names for him.
You will love. He's so much fun. He is so much fun. Oh, बहुत fun है ये आदमी.
I am taking this on camera. One day you are going to do a good
He will
mimic
not do
set
it
with
on
us.
camera. You just sit essay and he will randomly do it.
But
Yeah, I can do it for the camera. Done.
we'll then make him pick na some nice iconic characters.
No,
and
then he
make
will
him
do
this.
Done.
Something very filmy, very nice.
Done, we'll do it.
But thank you. Wishing
Thank
you
you.
all the best.
Thank
It looks lovely. The song is great, and I hope that whatever next is coming your way,
Yes.
equally make the fans happy because. As I say, बहुत कम bonds टिकते हैं. Yours have been there, so touch wood to that.
Thank you.
Touch wood.
Thank
Touch wood.
you.
Touch wood.
Thank you,
Touch
Mr.
wood.
Yeah.
Touch wood. Hi everyone. This is Eisha and you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.
This is Avinash Mishra and you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.